Average scores for questions testing basic knowledge were above 80% in Japanese language and math for the 6th grade, and in math for the 9th grade. But the scores fell to below 70% for questions relating to reading comprehension, the application of skills in all subjects. What sort of problems did students find it most difficult to solve? Let's look at some examples. First, a Japanese language test for 6th graders. For instance, this text concerns garbage problems. Pupils were asked to focus on a sentence that says, recycling used paper to produce new paper has become a significant issue worldwide. Then they had to pick 2 sentences within the same text that gave the reasons for this. The correct answer is these 2 sentences: producing papers using trees alone would no longer meet the demand, and using recycled paper is necessary to protect forests, which are the source of paper materials, by preventing excess deforestation. Results of the latest test show 46% of examinees gave the correct answer. Most others picked only 1 of the 2 sentences. The result underlines the pupils' inability to comprehend the meaning of an explanatory text. Now let's look at mathematics. In this test, students had to think which of the 2 parks, Central Park and East Park, was larger. One of the parks is a parallelogram shaped, while the other is rectangular. The size of Central Park, which is a parallelogram, can be measured by multiplying the base by the height. The base measures 70 meters, and the height is 150 meters. So the park is 10,500 square meters. The size of the rectangular-shaped East Park, meanwhile, is calculated by multiplying the length by the width. So the students should have multiplied 100 meters by 110. This park size would be 11,000 square meters, so the larger park would be this East Park. But only 18% of the examinees gave the correct answer. The result is largely attributed to the fact that many children could not deal with a 70-meter base length of Central Park because of the length was not shown in a diagram. But as the question asking pupils to simply calculate the size of a parallelogram, 96% of the answers given were correct. Test results show that although students have a high level of basic knowledge, they lack the ability to put the knowledge into practice or expressing their thoughts.